Alright, y'all, so we got everything off of here. Bearings are shot. We're gonna pop those out, put the new ones in. We are rebuilding this axle here. You pull it out, you have a cotter ring here. It goes right inside of here. So once you take your old boot out, you take your old boot out, sorry. You take your old boot out, take off the snap rings, both ends. Just redid that one up here too. You take all the grease, take a couple rags, take the grease around it. You're gonna pop this ring out. Then you'll be able to take the base off of the axle. Then you can slip this off, replace it, put this back on. There is a gear in here, or joints. Here we go. Once you pop that out, you can pull those out. Make sure you clean them, put them back together correctly, and then you have a brand new axle again. It's not as difficult as it sounds, just time consuming, a lot of grease, and you'll have some new axles all over again. I know it needs quite a few things right now, but we're working on it. Should be ready for the mud bug coming up here next couple of weeks. So we're getting things ready. All right, guys. Bye.